Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix instance is unavailable on this device. If you face instance is unavailable on this device problem, it usually happens because of apps problem, outdated service problem, device compatibility issues or restriction apps permission problem. Let's see how to fix instance is unavailable on this device problem on Instagram app. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Go to profile picture. Again click on setting icon. Scroll down. Click on help. Tap on report a problem. Click on report a problem. Click on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram account instant is unavailable on this device problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Click on apps permission. You can allow all apps permission. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Open your Instagram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram instance is unavailable on this device problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.